So some of y'all may already have Blink or think, I know how to play that. Well, we're going to learn some more steps. And in the handout, you're actually going to see about 24 steps, okay? And so the very first thing that I do anytime that I'm working with a student, I need to know if we're seeing the same thing. And so we'll start with numbers, and I'll ask the student, how many do you see? And they should say, oh, I see 1. How many do you see? 2. How many do you see? 3. How many do you see? 4. How many do you see? 5. And if I have a student that cannot identify one of those numbers, well, right now that number doesn't get to play with us. And so sometimes I've had students that we just had to start with 1 card, and that's fine, because you can only train the brain with what the brain knows. And so if they only know 1, we'll start with 1. And then once we get that, then we'll add 2 and 3. And so this is what we do. I encourage you, when you're doing this with a student, to always play with them. Not to make them perform for you, but that you're the mediator. And I always will say, hey, we're going to play a game. This is going to be fun. This might be challenging. And we're going to do this together. I will help you. Those words are so powerful. Mm-hmm. And so I love for you all to take turns, and for mom, for dad, teacher, therapist, that you are always modeling and mediating. And so this is what it would look like. So I have them in sequential order, and then you would pick up a card and say, oh, 5 on 5, and put it on the 5 pile. 3 on 3, 5 on 5, 2 on 2, 5 on 5, 4 on 4. And you would keep doing that. And if you have a student that's nonverbal and they can match it, I need for you to be their voice. So I have some students that we work with that are nonverbal for numerous different reasons, from autism to Duke-15 to other chromosome disorders, that the parent will be their voice. So whatever they're doing, the parent is putting language with that. So encourage you to do that.